Hey trader, I'm trying to learn the Forex. What's the #1 trade setup that I should use? If you want to know the answer, watch the rest of this video. Alright, it's called the pole, and it's called the pole because you have to first identify the flag, which is going to be right here. That's a sideways move. That's a flag pattern. Alright, and however you got into the flag is how you're coming out. So we came in going like this. Alright, whatever that is in size is what this is going to be in size up here. Alright, you can see it. They happen all the time. Last week there were 36 in the market. Just 36 poles on currencies. Wow. Is that an opportunity? Yeah, it's an opportunity. Alright. So, so I'm going to go from down here up to here with the fib extension tool. Click there and click here in the bottom of that. Okay. And that's 100% of this move right here. Where did it go? Exactly to it. Right there. Alright. How many are there? They're all over the place. Alright. So, like at the dollar yen this week. Had you been trading the poles on the dollar yen? There were so many of it, it was crazy. Alright. So, here's a flag. Here's a flag. Here's a flag. Here's another flag. Here's a flag. Here's a flag. Here's a flag. Alright. There you go. How about that for opportunity? Start learning to trade poles. Whatever the distance is going into the pole is what you're going to try to do coming out. All right. Hope that helps you.